Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Budgets plugin access management feature. This means that an administrator could grant or could not grant some specific permissions to normal Redmine users. So this means that these are users that are not administrators. So maybe it sounds a bit difficult for you to understand. So that's why I'm going to record you this video demonstration to show you step by step what I'm talking about. Okay, so currently I'm logged in as administrator here and I'm going to create a new user for the Redmine. So I go to administration, then users list, and then a new user. Okay, so I'm going to make it as a nickname Neo from the Matrix with first name Thomas and last name Anderson, and also email that could be neo at matrix.com. Okay, so it is here very important again to say that this guy Neo is not an administrator. Okay, so we put some password here and okay, so we create it and yeah, we see that we have Neo from the matrix and he is not an administrator. All right. So now we go to projects and add Neo to be accessible to project invoices with role reporter. So in this role reporter, we're going to grant permissions for him. So not only Neo, but every guy that has a role reporter will have these permissions. Okay, so let's go to another browser and access Redmine with Neo. So by the way, we're doing this on our demo server that is demo.redmineup.com. So please feel free to, yeah, just use it for testing purposes and just explore our plugins. Okay, so we sign in as Neo and put his credentials, Neo from the Matrix, and password. Okay. Uh, yeah, so we have successfully logged in as Neo. And now go to projects and then invoices. So currently on the overview of invoices project, we see that here we see nothing. Now we are going to grant Neo a permission to see the uh, billing and budgets box here. Okay, so we return back to the administrator and go to administration again, then roles and permissions, and then reporter role. This is the role of Neo. So we scroll down here to the budgets block of options, and we see that we have 5 permissions here. So we grant Neo the permissions of view project billing detail. Okay, so we save the changes and yeah, successful update, and go back to Neo, refresh the page, and see that Neo is successfully viewing the billing and budget box here. So this is the thing. Okay, so the next option that we get is the view, yeah, actually, uh, manage project billing detail. So this means that currently we're only able to view this billing and budget, but we are not able to edit it. So yeah, if we click edit here, um, yeah, we see that there is nothing here on the tabs. So we have only time tracking and nothing here. So we are unable to edit the billing and budget. Okay, so we just click on this option here and yeah, make sure to save our changes. Return back and refresh again. And when we click edit now, we see that we have billing and budget tab here. So we could do billing type, bill rate, and budget. So yeah, We could now just edit these settings because we have granted Neo this permission. All right. So this is it. The next thing that I want to show you is that when you go to issues and open some specific issue, we see that we have nothing here on the right sidebar. But now we are going to make new to have the issue, budget, and billing. So this happens if in the same way we go to reporter again, scroll down to the budgets block and see view issue billing detail. So when we enable this, we see that we save the changes, and when we refresh, we see the billing and budget block here on the right sidebar. It is related to this specific issue. Okay, so we have invoice, we have expenses, and it is just applied here. Okay, so but the problem now is that we do not have a permission to edit this, and yeah, we could do it in a couple of seconds. We edit this as administrator again, scroll down, and see the manage issue billing detail. Okay, so we scroll down, save the changes, and if we return back, refresh our page, we see that we have edit button here on the billing and budget, and we could click it and do some changes if you wish. So yeah, we have almost done with Neo. He has 4 from 5 permissions, and the last one is that if we have some log time here, and yeah, we see when we edit this, uh, we do not have the billing option here. All right, so we return back to the admin again, and um, in the same manner, we enable the last option for Neo about the budgeting, manage time entries, billing details, and scroll down to the very bottom and save the changes. Okay, so we return back to the spend time, refresh, and see that we have not billable option here. So you're now able to enable or disable this option. And yeah, this is about the last permission for the budgeting. So, in other words, Neo from the Matrix is now able to do everything with the budgeting plugin, so every possible option is available for him. And yeah, but in your company, it depends on the case, it depends on the team that is working. So you could grant, for example, 2 from 5 or 4 from 5 permissions. It is absolutely up to you and in accordance with your needs. Yeah, so I hope this video was good and helpful for you. If you like it, of course, you could check other videos in our channel in YouTube. You could subscribe, you could share the videos with your friends or colleagues. And if you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. So, thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.